Okay. Lee was nice enough to let us mod.
You ain't even said who you are yet.
I know, we're getting there. I'm Ethan at FDF. Well, like Drift HQ now because Josiah didn't like me and transferred me, but that's fine. We haven't really got into it yet, but this is Booth's car. Lee's nice enough to let us use the shop to put on V3. He's got V2 on it right now, and we're gonna show you all V3, the differences, and then we're gonna show lock to lock. And Don's doing all the work because I'm just supervising.
You hear the test tape going on right now?
Oh, packing peanuts, let's go. Okay, we're not gonna use these. Booth has a rack relocation, he uses inline, so there's no point in the offset. So we'll just use what he already has on the car. So, big difference. Fully on-car adjustable now. And if you look, the arms are now one piece instead of two pieces.
Wait, it used to be two piece? Oh yeah. Wow, they are.
And then also you don't have a heim joint at the end anymore. It's a nice uniball. So swapping out arms and keeping your alignment perfect.
You see that arm? Ooh. This is version 3?
Yes, this is V3. And disclaimer, you do need to run new knuckles to run these lowers. The bum stop now is different on these arms and actually right here on the knuckle. The man, the myth right there, that's a big FDF guy over there.
Yeah, you know, pro spec drive, baby. We out here just checking FDF stuff out. Best stuff on the planet. I'm telling you. Even the welders.
Okay, Donnie is going to show you kind of the good part about V3. Honestly, it's the best part for if you get in a wreck or anything like that and you don't want to mess with your alignment. On to Donnie.
So, the nice part with these new smooth adjusters is you can put the heim joints in the subframe first and never have to take them back out after you set your alignment. So then you just slide one on, and if I slide that one, put that one on, and put this one on. Tighten them up at the impact, and your arm is on.
So that's double smooth adjusters.
Double smooth
Full on
adjusters.
car adjustable.
That you guys machine at your own place.
Yeah, Dilly Bar does them.
This gets actually already on a few cars. We're just doing the release video now with Booth's car because it was conveniently out of building with a hoist, to be completely honest. So as I was saying before, Donnie smoked himself in the head with this. Nick Collier, good friend of ours, picked us up from LAX and everything. Great dude. Has this kit already, and he was actually at the T-Pain event 2 weeks ago when we were all there testing it out. He's been drifting all over the US. He's actually just heading back to Cali now. So I do have clips of all that we can put in here of in-car and things butter. He said it for himself, loves it, it's great. He's come from cut knuckles and everything, and just, I think Booth's gonna like this one more. Even though Booth doesn't bolt check anything, so Donnie's his mechanic. So if you have your jam nuts out here for your alignment or wherever you have them, when you take this off, you don't have to move your jam nuts for the alignment. Like, they're staying in the same place. You just unthread these, pull the arm off, put the new one on. And then you can literally, everything we're trying to do now is easy on-car adjustable stuff, but also if you have 5 minutes to fix things, you can fix things. That's kind of like make it dummy proof, easy to do, not mess with your alignment, need another alignment rack or anything like that. Put it on, go back out.
Huh.
Can I get down first?
No, you gotta talk up there.
Donnie just installed Booth's kit. He did all the work. I did nothing. I have to say that. I think Booth's gonna be pumped. Yeah, I kind of like want to get down from here, but Joel's kind of on the ladder. Omar came to support too. He was helping Donnie. He's down over there somewhere. Joel's behind the camera. And yeah, that's version 3. We're gonna hopefully test it more with Booth and see how he likes it from version 2. But I think that's a cut.
Good luck getting down now.
Donnie, bring the hoist down. Thank you, Lee. You're welcome. Put it to Lee.
Like, share, subscribe.
I don't know what to do.
Get out the shop.
I don't know what to do.
Bro, you suck at this, man. Y'all go follow Lee Bird on YouTube, bro. Follow us, like, share, subscribe, you know. Come see us, bro. We do all this shit right here. Come on, bro.
Give the boxes out of cardboard.